Astronomers observed galactic winds for the first time, a study reveals. This is on Sputnik News. NASA JPL Caltech. Astronomers got a peek into the early stages of the formation of the supermassive galaxy caused by a collision between two smaller galaxies. They've begun to detail the accompanying spectacular celestial phenomenon. Now, we often think of space as being cold and dead, a dead void with no action, no activities, nothing happening, no atmosphere, where everything either floats motionless or moves so fast that we don't even know about it until it takes us out. Recent astronomical observations, though, offer new proof that cosmic mechanics can cause galactic winds that span billions of light years. Galactic wind. Researchers published in the Natural Astronomy Journal details observations of a distant galaxy. Let's just call it SDSS because it's got all these numbers here. It's nicknamed Makani, after the Hawaiian word for wind, Makani. Used the Keck Cosmic Web Imager. Makani is actually not one but two galaxies which collided billions of years ago. And when galaxies collide, enormous amount of gas becomes compressed, leading to the creation of massive new stars, a phenomenon known as starburst. The collision itself, the star formation, and exploding supernovas create massive outbursts of hot ionized gas. This is what the astrophysicist Alison Coyle of UC San Diego says. She says, our paper on Makani, wind in Hawaiian native language, has come out in Nature. In this paper, we discuss a huge wind being blown into the circumgalactic medium around emerging star-forming galaxy. And she's got various links here that you can see. Now, and by massive, they mean 4,900 square kiloparsecs, whatever that is. It's roughly 25 billion square light years. Okay? That is a lot of gas. And what makes it more remarkable is that the ionized gas is very hot oxygen. Astronomers assert, adding that gas temperatures can reach up to 10,000 degrees Kelvin, thus about 9,726.85 degrees Celsius. Or, again, it's the same number, 9,726.85 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, well, it's a lot of heat. A coil showing results of Malaki Galaxy, limb brightening bipolar outflow. There are two ongoing outbursts in Makani, which astronomers believe formed at different times. They're shaped like hourglasses. The two energy sources are expanding into space at a whopping 1,400 kilometers per second and 2,100 kilometers per second each. Physicist David Rupke of Rhodes College says the earlier outflow has flowed to large distances from the galaxy, while the fast recent outflow has not had time to do that yet. According to Rupke, the two outbursts suck in galactic matter as they move through space and currently have captured huge amounts. He says, and it's moving, a lot of it, at least 1 to 10% of the visible mass of the entire galaxy, at very high speeds, thousands of kilometers per each second. Astronomers say this is one of the first insights into the formation process of a so-called circumgalactic medium around a massive galaxy. Now, this article does not state when this galactic wind is supposed to be coming and hitting us, God forbid. There's nothing of a mention as to what kind of an effect it will have on our solar system. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not certainly on not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.